So the iPhone 15 has a USB-C problem, and let me explain this. There's a couple of things I want to touch on here that I think will be pretty interesting. So on my phone, and this could be isolated to my device, that when I plug in the USB-C cable, the one provided by Apple and other ones, that it tends to only work on one side of the USB end, and then I flip that same end, and then it may not work on that side. It's a really weird, sort of quirky thing that happens. Or sometimes I'll plug it in and it'll wait a few seconds. It's almost like a delay, and then it'll recognize and it'll charge or then finally connect to whatever device I'm trying to plug in via USB-C. The other thing here is this cable itself. So this USB-C cable isn't USB 3, even though you bought an iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max, which has the USB-C 3 at the speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. Actually don't get that, and I had to learn this sort of a little bit the hard way in doing some testing. So I plugged in into my Mac here, we'll just use a Mac as an example, and when I plugged in with the standard cable, you kind of see the noticeable kind of slow speeds, and it kind of got me wondering what's going on here, because when I plugged in, fortunately, this USB 3 cable that I got for free buying something else, I noticeably saw the difference in speed. It was like, wow, this is really going fast like it's supposed to. Come to find out, it just doesn't come with the USB 3 cable in the box, and it actually says it not on the page prominently. You actually have to hit one of the small numbers that has the footnotes, go all the way to the bottom, and it says USB 3 cable required. Now, for Android users get all happy, and I'm part of the Android fan club as well too, Samsung doesn't include that as well either. And I tested this as well. I did this on a Windows PC, and when I plugged it in, I noticed a noticeable difference between using the cable that it comes with versus the same USB 3 cable that's rated for that as well. And in the speeds were night and day difference on that as well too, moving the same sort of file. And what's interesting with Samsung, once again, not bashing, I went to the website and I didn't even see anything on their page that really kind of highlighted that. It didn't come with a USB 3 cable or any cable to take advantage of those fast speeds. And once again, some people say, well, who's going to be doing that? There are some people that will do that. That is an advertised feature. And while the cable might not be included, I would like to see the cable included, but I would like to see it more highlighted out there, that if this cable's not included, to like put it out there that, hey, you need to buy something extra to get this, because some users might do that, or at least know that they need that in the future if they need to buy the cable online, if they want those faster transfer speeds, because I think that does matter, because that's something that you pay for in both of these devices that is an included feature. And I think that should be highlighted and said. Like I said before, I'm not bashing anybody on here. I'm just trying to be more of a consumer advocate, I suppose. I just want better knowledge and better information out there for those that are wondering about the devices, especially if they're wondering if they're not getting the speed or expected speeds that they're expecting with it, that they need something extra to sort of get that. But comment below, let me know what you guys think on this.